Samsung unveiled updates for its tablets, smartwatches, and foldable gadgets on Wednesday at its annual Unpacked event, which was held in South Korea for the first time. All of the devices, however, have undergone just minor modifications, including the customary advancements in screen and processing technology, as well as a few extra bells and whistles. Samsung's fifth-generation foldable smartphones, the 6.7-inch Z Flip 5 that collapses into a 3.4-inch tablet, and the 6.2-inch Galaxy Z Fold that unfolds into a 7.6-inch display, were the main focus of the presentation. Both smartphones have more durable batteries, better cameras, and improved designs.